Hello, and welcome to another video on this channel, and I want you to sit down and watch this video to the end. On my last video, I explained on how to get started with the affiliate marketing, things you need to know at the beginning. My name is Enoch, and today I want to teach you the MasterClass for the beginners. What are the reasons to become an affiliate marketer? Please, if you have not watched my previous video on how to get started, please watch it before continue with this very video. And if you have any questions on the previous, please use the comment section below. Now let's start the race. What are the reasons to become an affiliate marketer? Many people don't have the reasons of doing online business. That's why they fall into victim of scam. But according to history, affiliate marketing has been in existence for a long time, even for years. And from my research on affiliate marketing, I have discovered reasons why you and I should become an affiliate marketer. 1. Passive income. While any regular job requires you to be at work to make money, affiliate marketing offers you the ability to make money while you sleep. By investing an initial amount of time into a campaign, you will see continuous returns on that time as consumers purchase the product over the following days and weeks. You will receive money for your work long after you've finished it. Even when you're not in front of your computer, your marketing skills will be earning you a steady flow of income. 2. No customer support. Individual sellers and companies offering products or services have to deal with their consumers and ensure they are satisfied with what they have purchased. Thanks to the affiliate marketing structure, you'll never have to be concerned with customer support or customer satisfaction. The entire job of the affiliate marketer is to link the seller with the consumer. The seller deals with any consumer complaints after you receive your commission from the sale. 3. Work from home. If you're someone who hates going to the office, affiliate marketing is the perfect solution. You'll be able to launch campaigns and receive revenue from the products that sellers create while working from the comfort of your own home. This is a job you can do without ever getting out of your pajamas. 4. Cost-effective. Most businesses require startup fees as well as a cash flow to finance the products being sold. However, affiliate marketing can be done at a low cost, meaning you can get started quickly and without much hassle. There are no affiliate program fees to worry about, and no need to create a product. Beginning this line of work is relatively straightforward. 5. Convenient and flexible. Since you're essentially becoming a freelancer, you get ultimate independence in setting your own goals, redirecting your path when you feel so inclined, choosing the products that interest you, and even determining your own hours. This convenience means you can diversify your portfolio if you like, or focus solely on simple and straightforward campaigns. You'll also be free from company restrictions and regulations as well as ill-performing teams. 6. Performance-based rewards. With other jobs, you could work an 80-hour week and still earn the same salary. Affiliate marketing is purely based on your performance. You'll get from it what you put into it. Honing your reviewing skills and writing engaging campaigns will translate to direct improvements in your revenue. You'll finally get paid for the outstanding work you do. 7. Do not underestimate the power of SEO. There's a ton of organic traffic you can get from search engines if you do SEO properly. The days when search engine optimization was about cheating Google are gone. Today, it is about making your website better for visitors. People naturally look for information online. That's why you should learn the basics of on-page SEO, keyword research, and link building to be the information source they find first. Who wouldn't want to rank #1 for terms such as best product or product review in Google? Yes, this is the little I can share with you today, and to make you understand the concept behind the affiliate marketing. It won't make any sense if I make a 1-hour video, and you don't learn anything from the video, but on my next video, I will talk more on the common types of affiliate marketing. If you wish to watch more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel now, and click on the notification bell, so that anytime I drop new video you will be notified. And if you would like to register for the masterclass on affiliate marketing, I will drop a link on the description section below. Thank you for watching. Share the video to help others, and if you have any question, please use the comment section below. Thank you, and see you next time.